just put your handwritten maps on your traveler's notebook pages. So I've been writing my travel plan and also my travel records on my traveler's notebook insert. On each page of my travel plan or travel records, I put my handwritten maps here. So for example, this is the plan that I want to do. I want to visit Taiwan, and I want to do stationery trip. So I will travel and visit some stationery shops in Taipei. And it is nice to put your handwritten maps here because it looks cool and it really shows that this is about traveler's notebook. Tools to live by. This is a stationery shop near Shangri-La Hotel, and also Vision Stationery near Porsche in Taipei. So these two destinations probably my main destination if I will go to Taiwan. And another record is this Tokyo visit. And I really want to visit and also do the stationery travel or stationery trip in Tokyo. And two places that I want to go is Tobichi Tokyo and also Plotter Tokyo. So both are stationery shops here in Tokyo, the headquarters of Hobonichi Techo, and also Plotter Tokyo. They recently opened this shop in Harajuku. The building or the architecture is really cool. So I just want to visit and want to see inside the building and what is happening there. I really want to know the trend of Plotter, the products that they have. These two stationery shops here in Tokyo are my main destination when I travel in Tokyo next time. What I will do when I do stationery trip, just find a limited edition or the special edition related to that place. For example, I was talking about this stationery trip in Taiwan. Then what I need to do is just find the limited edition books, refill or insert or postcard or stamp or stickers or anything that has a Taiwan or the bookstore's name on it. It's gonna be wonderful. Another thing that is addicting is drawing flags, for example here. So I want to visit some countries for their stationery, like Taiwan here or South Korea. So it's from Dollar Shop here in Japan. I finished this insert already. It's not that thick, so as you can see, I probably only finished this only for a week, I guess. So this is the index page. I already explained how I write down the insert just by adding one page for index. If possible, I will do one day, one page, and also one topic, one page. I try to keep it minimal. See, just put like just leaf illustration or also the traveler's notebook illustration. When I have ideas and also some things in my mind, I'll just write it down here and put it as an important information. So I will prepare one page for that information. Things happening in September, there's a firework near my house and I just try to put the illustration here, and also some content that I want to make for this channel. I need to talk about the new stuff that I add on my insert. This is also related to the way I fill in my traveler's notebook insert these days. Kind of trapped into the rabbit hole of using stickers, right? So previously I only bought one stickers here. So this series is called Forest Vacation. I think it's the theme or the color is green, and This is one of the sticker here, the snapshot sticker, and but because it is so addicting, it gives you some kind of vibes into your traveler's notebook pages. So that's why I then decided to buy more. See, so actually when I visited the shop, the dollar shop, the following day, I found that it is not only one topic or one color, but they have more than one color, and it's quite interesting. There are many photos that are beautiful here, and I just want to put it on my pages just to give the vibe. There's also a brown theme, and it is related to coffee, and there was also a blue related photos. Well, it mainly about ocean and skies and beaches, and also gray. I also found another small stickers. It also gives another vibe. Really cool. So I will introduce you a word in Japanese stationery community, or maybe in Japanese slang in general. It is called Numa, N-U-M-A. Literally, it means swamp. Swamp equal to rabbit hole. Young Japanese nowadays, when they have hobby and they kind of really obsessed with that hobby and they cannot just get out, they declare themselves like they stuck into the swamp. They realize that they kind of stuck into the hobby, and they spend a lot of money, a lot of time doing the hobby, including me. Now I'm kind of trapped into that swamp, or in the rabbit hole, and I just cannot get out because I look at this. I bought many stickers. We want our traveler's notebook insert beautiful or nice or just enjoyable. So this is the way I make my traveler's notebook experience more enjoyable. So let's say 80% is my writing, and the rest are for ornaments. But sometimes I'm just too lazy to write down on my page. I'll just put a sticker here and put a one note here: you're not alone. I don't know why I wrote this. Yeah, I was kind of less motivated this day, so I tried to write down something to entertain myself. Oh, it's endless. I write down many stuff here. So this is the end of this insert. I put a conclusion at the end of the insert. I move on to my next insert. Let's open my traveler's notebook. Look at this. Look at the color. It has a navy color with a golden printed design. It's so fancy, and followed by this. This is from Starbucks Reserve Roastery. This is so cool, guys. I really love the texture, the design, the color. Everything looks so gorgeous, and I want to use it immediately. Let's continue flipping through my traveler's notebook insert. Alright, so I kept using the same style. I just add these cute guys here after my writing. This is so funny because sometimes the joke fits to my writing. Also, I have the cat photo on the sticker. I like cats, so that's why I don't hesitate to put this on my page. So this is my travel record. I did a stationery and gadget hunt. So I wanted to do shopping. I wanted to find nice things for my traveler's notebook, and also the gadget that I want to use for next year. I want you to write down your path here. So you write so you draw the maps here, and then you draw the location or the place that you visited, and then just draw the path that you took from one place to another place. So if you don't remember the path that you took, you can just check your Google Maps. If you have your timeline is active, you can see the path that you took, and then just draw like this. All right, so I continuously writing down this type of style, and sometimes I also still being lazy, so I just put one sticker. I still use the sticker to give a nice vibe to the page. I'll give you a slang word to remember. In Japanese, it is called emoi. Emoi. E-M-O-I. So in English, it is called emotional. So emoi is taken from word emotional, but in Japanese writing, we say it emoi, emoi. So this is a emoi vibes. In general, my insert now is kind of emoi, but I really intended to make my insert is fun, actually, joyful and fun. But the sticker gives another vibe, like a more emoi side. I start getting sick here, so that's why my writing, I think, is kind of really bad because of I felt so sick. Another series of gadget hand, I also write down my path. I mean, writing down the handwritten maps is so fun. I think I will keep doing it in the future as well. I'll just flip through quickly here. This is my bag. Okay, so this is the last topic that I want to talk about. This page is about some alternative inserts that I am going to consider in 2026. I have the third-party insert. This is the cheapest alternative that I can use. Another thing is called Robiki note or Robiki book. It's a bit expensive. It's 700 yen. I'm not sure if it is good. And also field book. So there's a Japanese field book that is getting popular these days. It's called yacho or just field book. The official name is Sokuryo Yacho or Japanese field book for surveyor. So Sokuryo means survey. So this notebook is for people on the field. The notebook has a hardcover, so it is very convenient for writing notes on the field. This is a Sokuryo Yacho. Look at the cover. This is quite hard cover, which is very interesting. And you know, the price is so cheap. It's less than 300 yen, so it's less than $3. And the problem is the size is smaller than the regular traveler's notebook insert. See, so I don't think it will fit, but I can just use it similar to this monthly schedule. Now I understand why I love this, because it has the same tactile sound. Look. So the brand is Kokuyo, right? Now, the interesting part is I found out that they have the special shop in Harajuku station. So this is also my next destination. I want to travel to Harajuku in order to check the various type of this yacho. I also drew some illustration. This is the food that I consume when I got my fever. I only drink this kind of instant healthy drink or jelly drink. Also, I ate jelly, peach jelly, and also cold soup. Also, some candies, some vitamins, and also medicine candies for my throat. It is so painful, so I need to have this pills, the medicine candies for my throat. And yeah, I also try to write down in landscape. Yeah, so actually it gives you information. This is my home, and I draw locations of where I can get the traveler's notebook merchandise or goodies. I can go to right, I can go to the left, or I can go to shops near my office, and I can go to Shibuya Loft. And so these 4 locations are, for me, is the most reasonable location to have my needs for traveler's notebook. There's nothing special at the end of this insert, and at the end I also put a closing here and saying thank you. All right, so this is ending my traveler's notebook insert. So lastly, I want to talk about this journaling bag. I need to have a special bag that can contains all of these things, because sometimes I journal in the kitchen, I journal on my bedroom, I journal on my living room. I need to move a lot in my house, so that's why I need to bring all of this from one room to another room. So that's why I really need something to store all of this stuff. Now I will show you how I store everything on this bag. The stickers will go to the small pocket in front of the bag. I will put it on this pocket. This pen, it can just go in also in several pockets here, but I decided to add it here. So this empty insert can go to this pocket. This yacho also can go to this pocket. All right, pretty cool. For example, this clip, let's just use this pocket. The traveler's notebook itself, put it here. Great. Everything is on one bag. I have my fountain pen here. I can still have another fountain pen to put it here. And I can just bring it everywhere, from the kitchen, from the living room, from my bedroom. All right, this is quite cool. I can probably also bring this outdoor or when I go to the office. There's actually a main part of this bag, and I put my tablet here. And I'm ready to go. This is the pen for that tablet, so I can also do digital journaling with that tablet. Okay, that is pretty much it. I hope you can get inspiration for writing your traveler's notebook. I hope you enjoy your journaling as well. So let's catching up on my next videos. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.